Hello students, I'll be introducing the fourth chapter of grammar to you today. As you have learned about nouns, now there are different genders in a noun. Gender is the quality of a noun or a pronoun. First is masculine gender. Whenever a noun denotes a male person, a male animal, then it is said to be in masculine gender. Father, man, gentleman, tiger, lion, horse, all these are said to be in masculine gender. Then comes the feminine gender. Mother, sister, aunt, they fall under feminine gender when we are talking about the females. Then is common gender. That means it can be used for both males and females. Like a teacher can be a ma'am and a sir. A doctor can be a male doctor or a lady doctor. And then comes neuter gender, where there are things which do not have a gender. Paper, boat, books, chair, car, all these things do not have a gender. So they fall under neuter gender. Now on the next page, you have been given certain examples how certain words of masculine gender, when they are referred to in feminine form, what will be they called? Like prince, in feminine form it will be called princess. Or if you are talking about a goddess, if you want the male version, that will be god. So this is the list of the masculine and feminine gender. On the next page, you have certain exercises that need to be done. First, a noun that denotes a female sex, feminine gender. Second, which belongs to neuter gender? One that doesn't have a gender, box. Third, masculine gender of niece will be nephew. Fourth, which noun will belong to common gender? All of these, because a friend can be man or a woman, guest can be man or a woman, and student can be a man or a woman. Fifth, the noun child belongs to which gender? Now child is a common gender, because when we are referring to a child, it can be a boy child or a girl child. Then you have the second exercise. You can take the help of the examples given on page number 20. Here I have done a few for you, rest you will have to do yourself. Third exercise also, masculine genders have to be written by you. In the second exercise, you have to write the feminine gender. In the third exercise, you have to write the masculine gender. Next page. Now you have to select the proper word that will fall in the blank. My dash loves her children very much. Now because it's written her, that means we are referring to a female. So out of brother and sister, which is the female one? That's sister. So we'll write sister. And in the next exercise, likewise you have to do the rest of the 9 sentences in exercise 4. I'll take the example of 7th one. A dash is coming with her secretary. Now it's written her, that means you will not use a man over here. You have to use a woman. King and queen, who will be a woman? Of course queen. So we'll put the word queen in the blank. Likewise you have to do the 5th exercise and change the gender. Author of this book, it will change to the authoress of this book. I have done few for you, rest you will do yourself. Like for example the 10th one, the shepherd milks the sheep. Answer will be, you will change the word shepherd. The shepherdess milks the sheep. Like I told you, to change the gender you can take help of the examples given on page 20. This is all you need to do for this chapter.